Welcome to another video. In this video we'll talk about margin, how to adjust margin for elements. So simple example here that I'm going to use is tabs, and wherever you have margin available, this is how you can adjust it. So let's say tabs, and what I'll do is I'll quickly fill the tab button. I'm going to fill it with, let's say, background of green, blue. Yeah, blue works, and then font can be white, like that. So, okay. So what we want to talk about here is margin. And the way margin is available is if you click on the style icon and let's say tab button, you've got margin available. And what it does is this. Let's say if I want to adjust the margin from top, I can choose 10 and now move the tabs down a bit. If I choose 50, now they're really down. From bottom up, same like this. Like you can see that line moving, and just like that you can move it. If I want to move it to the left, then I can like this. Now I've created a space between my tabs. If I want to move it to the right, I can do that as well, just like that. Alright, and this really allows you to adjust all the margins that's necessary to make sure it works for the way you want it. But these are the margins available. And in any element, this is what it will look like, margin, and you'll find in the styling. And from there on, you can either adjust it from top, bottom, left, or right. But this is how it's done.